You wonder why your beard flakes sometimes. You wonder why you tend to experience a lot of itchiness in your beard. You wonder why your beard feels so dry so many times or most of the times. Yes, this is because you don't apply beard oils to your beard. Beard oils are very essential and important when it comes to beard growth and beard care in general. But most of you guys don't even know about that. And those of you who even know don't even know how to use the beard products or beard oils properly. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys, or I want to teach you guys how to use your beard products properly. Because I used to be like you guys. I used to use a lot of products, or I used to buy a lot of beard products, but I wasn't really seeing the importance of it because I wasn't really applying it the right way. So in today's video, I want to help you guys. So stick around, make sure you like the video, subscribe for your boy. You know I don't like to waste much of your time, right? So let's hop into it. So to begin with, you need to understand that not all beard oils are meant for your beard or are meant to go into your beard oils. Don't go around just applying anything you see that is called beard oil to your beard, because you're going to end up causing a lot of damages to your beard. You need to understand that there are a lot of cheap beard products out there that are made with synthetic ingredients, and trust me, you don't want to be putting these things into your beard because it's going to end up giving you either skin irritation or it's going to affect your skin in general. So try to get yourself the beard oils that are made with natural ingredients like jojoba oil, castor oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and those natural ingredients, that's the ones you should be getting for your beard because those are meant for your skin. They are very good for your skin. So take note of that. Don't go and be buying anything fake. And you need to know the best time for you to apply the beard oil because the timing really matters here. If you don't apply it at the right time, you're going to end up causing a lot of work to yourself. So for me personally, I prefer to apply my beard oil that's in the night. That's before going to bed, right after shower. This is because it makes your morning routine much more easy because most of you guys, I know most of you guys don't even sleep early. So if you end up wasting so much time in the morning to get your beard ready, by the time you finish, you're going to end up being late at work because some of you are doing 9 to 5 jobs. So the timing really matters. I would recommend you only apply your beard oil at night before going to bed so that when you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is just comb your beard and you are good to go. So now let's get to how to apply it. First of all, you need to make sure that there is moisture in your beard before applying the beard oil. Yes, this is because when you apply the beard oil in your dry beard, it will be hard for the oil to be spread thoroughly through your beard. So applying it whilst your beard is a little bit wet is the best option you can use. That's why I prefer applying it, or I prefer you apply it right after shower. That's your evening shower. And for those of you who don't shower in the evening, before you apply it, just make sure that you splash some water or you spray it with some water and then simply dry it with your towel before applying the beard oil. And after drying it with your towel, the next thing you have to do is just comb it out. Yes, you need to comb it out so that there will be some spaces into your beard, which will be much easier for the oil to be spread out through your beard. So there are two ways you can actually apply it to your beard, and I would prefer you use both ways, especially if your beard is like mine, like if you have a thick beard like mine. The first way is for you to drop the beard oil in your palm. Yes, you can drop it in your palm. That's the first point. And after dropping it in your palm, you don't need to apply too much depending on the size of your beard. For me like this, I can use about half of the bottle dropper. Yes, you apply it into your palm, then after applying it, you just rub your palm like this and then rub it through your beard. Yes, go through your beard thoroughly. This will allow the beard or beard oil to be spread throughout your beard. After that, you comb it again or use your hairbrush to brush through. That's the first way to apply it. And you can also apply it this way. Instead of dropping the beard oil in your palm, you can simply use the dropper and place it inside the beard on the skin that's under the beard, and then drop the beard oil on it. Make sure that you apply it throughout the beard, like on each side and under the beard. After that, then use your fingers to massage the area. The reason why you should also apply it this way is because if your beard is like mine and you use the first method, the beard oil is not going to touch your skin, which is very crucial, which is very important. The beard oil must touch your skin if you want to prevent skin dryness and skin itchiness. So that's why you need to use this second method here. So you need to drop it inside, and this one you don't need to use too much of the beard oil because it may end up dripping into your clothes. If you are wearing something like a t-shirt, it's going to end up dripping into it. So you just use few drops here and there, then after that you just run your fingers or your hands through it. After that, then you just comb through. This is so simple. When you do this routine at night, there is no need for you to spend a lot of time getting your beard ready in the morning or the following morning, because by the time you wake up, your beard is still going to be looking good. Yes, so for those of you who are wondering how to apply your beard oil properly, these are how to apply it. But you need to understand that if your beard is not like mine, there is no need to use the second method. The first method, if you have a stubble or short beard, the first method is the best for you. So yeah guys, that's just a quick way of applying a beard oil that I thought I should come and share with you guys. I hope you guys like the information. If you do, as usual, be sure to like the video and subscribe for your boy. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.